I always need a cup of coffee to start my day, but sometimes I need a little something extra, and an Irish coffee hits the spot. It's got some Jameson and some Baileys in it, and for the rest of the ingredients, make sure to check out the description below. Now, you can scale this recipe to however big your mug is. For example, if you were using an Irish coffee mug, this recipe would be good for 2 servings. For our Irish coffee, we're using a mason jar mug that we got from Dollar Tree. So, let's get cracking. Since we don't want to have our hot coffee sit there and eventually get cold, we're going to work on the whipped cream first. Pour 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream into a chilled bowl. Then, add 1 teaspoon of Bailey's Irish cream. If you want a stronger taste, you can add a little more. Use a hand mixer on medium speed until your whipped cream reaches your desired consistency. We wanted stiff peaks, so we mixed this for 6 to 7 minutes. Now that the whipped cream is done, let's stick it in the fridge and prepare the coffee. To keep your coffee hot for longer, you can preheat your mug. Add hot water and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Then dump the water out. Fill your mug with 1 cup of strong black coffee. Next is what gives Irish coffee its kick, Jameson whiskey. Add 1.5 ounces of it to your coffee. For a little sweetness, put in 3 teaspoons of brown sugar and mix it until it's all dissolved. Now we're going to put in some more booze. Add 3/4 ounce of Bailey's Irish cream. If you want to make it fancier, instead of dumping the whipped cream on top, you can put it in a piping bag and make a swirl. Lastly, using a Y peeler, take a bar of chocolate and sprinkle pieces on top of the whipped cream. And there you have it. Your coffee is ready to be served. If this video helped, please be sure to give us a like. And if you're looking for more recipes or something entirely different to do, be sure to check out our how-to hub and subscribe. Your next project just might be right there. Now, I'm gonna go make myself another cup. Catch you at the other side of the rainbow.